what we got in today, guys. The new bed cover for the Jenny is here. So let's get her opened up. See what she looks like. Pretty excited, I think it's gonna be pretty neat. Covers the whole bed, has gas struts. So let's pop it open. Okay guys, here's the Roto Cap, the General. Open this up, lift this up. Here's the gas struts. Thing's heavy, and I never expected it to be as heavy as it is. Very solid. See how thick the material is. If I get my camera to cooperate. So I'm pretty excited to get it in here. Get it mounted up. So here's the instructions. Pretty simple. Got some extra, so we got the extra gasket material. Goes on this inside edge. Keep any moisture in such a way. You got your plugs. Drop in the hole and tighten down. And then the nuts and washers go up inside the Roto Cap. 3/8 wrench is all you need to install this thing. And plugs, so once it's done and in, you can plug it off and you won't even see the mounting holes. Looks like it's gonna be pretty slick, pretty simple install. So, isopropyl alcohol and a rag. Clean this lip real good. And then we'll put the plugs in and we'll sit her up on there. Okay guys, so I was kind of looking at this insulation or gasket. And I wasn't really sure how it was supposed to lay down, but I set the bed cover on there, Roto Cap bed cover, and then it kind of made a little more sense. So the gasket's gonna go with the indented outside. Obviously you want it to sit here on the Roto Cap, and I'm just gonna tip this in. Once I sit it on here, I'll be able to cut this off. It's gonna come to like here, I guess. So I'm gonna do that quick, all the way around the whole bed, and then I'll set it down on there and I'll show you what we got. So when you do this part, these bumpers are hold downs. This is just a 3/8, that's the 3/8 wrench I was talking about. So you take the nut and the washer off, slide it through, put it back on here. I'm gonna sit mine on there, then tighten it down, and then you're gonna have that cap that finishes it off, makes it look nice. So I'll get that part finished up, the insulation part, the gasket material, and we'll sit her down on there, see what we got. Okay guys, here's what I did with the gasket material. Like I said, I ran the long edge of the bed, then I did the back side of the bed, and I just nipped the corner a little bit and folded it over. I'm not sure how great it's going to stick in there, but we may have to reassess that at a later date and time. But the gasket's all in there on the front of the bed and on the sides of the bed. Now we'll stick the Roto Cap on and bolt it down. Okay guys, that's what it looks like after the gasket's all in and it's all bolted down. I say bolted, but realistically, you know, these are rubber. They're gonna just expand a little bit to hold it tight. So I'll put the caps on, like so. It's pretty slick. All right, boys and girls, Roto Cap is installed. Fits nice and tight. It actually has, you can see, how the corner tapers back to the cab. Just exactly how the cab tapers. And it's nice and tight on the inside. Once that gasket material is on there, you got all the caps to hide the holes. Looks good. Bring the top down. Oops. Lock her up. Like so. It's all gasketed along here and all gasketed along the tailgate. you can still open and close the tailgate. You can see the gasket there. My phone will focus. So it's nice and tight there. Obviously you got your normal general holes. You're not going to keep everything out of everywhere, but there it is. Be a pretty sweet little trail riding box for putting all your extra clothes and boots and gas, whatever, I mean, whatever you want to put in there. And it's gonna be pretty large. Doesn't hinder the back window view at all. You know, it's just a touch higher than what the back window bar is, which I don't see as a big deal. And there's still this area here with some tie downs on each side. So if you want to put something up in here, you can. And have a place to strap it down yet. So pretty neat. Like I said, you can open it with the tailgate up or the tailgate down. Obviously I have my other Polaris tote in there, but this is what I was using before. And I still may have to do something, just because this works good. I keep straps and hatchet and first aid kit, jumper cables, you know, all the normal MacGyver-ish tools, just in case there's a breakdown, whether it be me or just somebody along the trail you need to help. So I do take a fair amount. That box is heavy. This box is heavy. So maybe I'll have to make some dividers or something in there. I like that though, because I put it in there, I strap it down. That way, when I want to take it out and haul wood, or kids want to ride in the box, or you know, throw whatever back there, and this thing's usually got, at any point in time, it's got something in the box of it. So this will kind of be nice, where you can just put some stuff in here and not have to worry about carrying the box if it's all bigger things. And at least it'll keep the rain and the mud and rocks and whatever else mostly off of everything. So pretty happy with it. It's a nice addition to it.